Guys, welcome back to another LeetCode video. Today we're going to be solving the daily for March 27th, 2958. Length of longest subarray we have most K frequencies. And this is my 30th my 30th streak. I'm going to be catching up to my old maximum streak of 37 very soon. And it's almost the end of the month, so I'm going to get the monthly badge. Let's go ahead and read the problem description. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. The frequency of an element x is the number of times it occurs in the array. An array is called good at the frequency of each element in the array is less than or equal to k, and return the length of the longest good subarray. And subarray is a continuous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. Okay, that sounds great, you know? Let's go ahead and look at the example. So K is 2, right? And the output is 6. The longest possible good is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, since I'm guessing, yeah, since the frequency of each one is at most K. And so what we're going to do with this is, like last time, we're going to do a sliding window. I'm going to see if I can do something because... And then Cali draw, don't disappear. Can we drop this here? Yeah. So let's do the sliding window. Let me delete this frame. Okay, I'm just gonna make this frame huge. Right, so we're gonna do a sliding window here. I'm gonna make some stuff. What should I make? P1, and then what is going on? Yeah, I haven't used this, so I'm not really sure. Okay, so we make a P1 and a P2, right? So what we're gonna do is we'll just make P1 the our opening of the window, right? So look, so we're just gonna make sure we're gonna have a dictionary as well that keeps track of the amount of frequencies of each number, right? So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 to the dictionary, and then we're gonna check one other thing. We're gonna check if 1 is um like the current count of 1 is greater than k, then we would have to bring the P2, we would have to delete from P2. So we would get rid of our decrement from P2. So we'd decrement 1, decrement 2, and so on until it's no longer less than k. And then we would do the math to calculate the length of the window and then compare with the previous max. So let's go ahead and just do this for this, right? So we'll say k is 2, right? So we have 1, we have 1 1, now 1 2, 1 3, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, right? And then now when we get here, we have 3 1s, right? So now that while loop's gonna kick in, and we're gonna delete from here until 1 is less than k. So we remove that from the window. Now it's less than k. And while I was increasing this, we would keep on calculating the max, right? And then now we go here, right? Now the count of 2 is 3, right? So now we remove decrement 2, and now the count is 2 in this subarray as well. And then we just count the maximum of that. Yeah, I might continue doing this Excalibur thing because it's good for explaining. Anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and get to that code, right? So we had left equals 0, right? And the right is just going to be a for loop because it keeps on going up. And max, I'll just call it m equals 0 for now, right? The max length. Pretty sure that's okay. Yep. And then so for r in range, the length of nums. Now let's just add. Oh yeah, we have to create our count, right? So we're gonna do count. Yeah, we'll do count. Our frequency equals default diff. And so this stands from collections already imported in LeetCode. But if you were to do this on like your own computer or something, you would have to import it. And basically what it does is if we index into something that doesn't exist, it returns 0. So that's like just does the error, some error handling. And why is this tab thing weird? Tab. What is going on here? Okay, and when I go here, okay. I'm just gonna hope this works, right? So we just add, right? At nums at r plus equal 1, right? So the frequency is plus equal 1. And then while nums at r is the count of that whatever is greater than k, then we go nums at left minus equal 1, left plus equal 1, until it's no longer greater than k, right? And then okay, yeah, you know what, I'll just make this longest, right? So now longest, we have a good sub window is now we're going to calculate the longest, which is the max of the previous longest, and right minus left. And since this is like, this gives it a 0 index, right? You just add 1 plus 1, and now we have the longest for that. This indent thing is kind of messing me up. Hopefully it's good. Return longest. And that should be good. Let's go ahead and bring this up. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, we added to none. Okay, yeah. We need to do this. We need to do this and submit. And now what we're gonna do is left. Okay, so it's, why would left be out of, let's do some debugging. Oh yeah, I did that again. It's frequency at left. And that should be good. Let's go ahead and run. And submit. And there we have it. O of n time, O of n space. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come back tomorrow for another video.